If a man houses a child and holds out the child as his own, then, under the law, that man is the child's presumed father. But if there's evidence that the man isn't the child's genetic father, does that mean he can't be the child's presumed father? Or can the presumption still apply? The California Supreme Court addressed these questions in re Nicholas H. Thomas met Kimberly when she was pregnant with Nicholas H. The couple decided that Thomas would be Nicholas's father and listed Thomas as the father on Nicholas's birth certificate. Initially, Thomas, Kimberly, and Nicholas lived together. But Thomas assaulted Kimberly and was ordered to attend anger management classes. Thomas and Kimberly were apart for a while, got back together, and then separated again. The entire time, Thomas treated Nicholas as his son and provided for Nicholas financially and emotionally. Nicholas viewed Thomas as his father and was very emotionally attached to Thomas. In contrast, Kimberly had issues with drugs and homelessness, and Nicholas said he didn't like living with her because she was mean to him and would hit him. Thomas and Kimberly continually clashed over custody of Nicholas. During one dispute, Kimberly bit Thomas and was arrested for assault. Thomas filed a court petition and obtained temporary custody of Nicholas. Kimberly told the police that Thomas had taken Nicholas unlawfully. The police discovered Thomas had an outstanding warrant for failing to attend the previously ordered anger management classes and arrested Thomas. Nicholas was then placed with a state agency. The state agency filed a juvenile dependency proceeding to determine who should have custody of Nicholas. During the proceedings, Thomas admitted that he wasn't Nicholas's genetic father, but claimed he was the boy's legal father. The man who Kimberly claimed was Nicholas's genetic father couldn't be located, and no one claimed to be Nicholas's genetic father. The Superior Court determined that because Thomas had welcomed Nicholas into his home and held out Nicholas as his child, Thomas was Nicholas's presumed parent, and Nicholas could live with Thomas while Thomas and Kimberly underwent additional evaluations and services. Kimberly appealed. The Court of Appeal reversed the decision. It ruled that because Thomas wasn't Nicholas's genetic father, he couldn't be Nicholas's presumed father, which meant Nicholas was fatherless. Thomas appealed. The California Supreme Court agreed to review the case.